Hi everyone. Well, today I have 5 outfit inspirations for you, and these are lounging outfits, but they're not your typical kind of lounging outfits. They are outfits that can get you from the couch to the car. And I'm so excited to show these to you because, over the last 3 years, a lot of us have taken more of a kind of a stay-at-home kind of attitude, and maybe our jobs have said, hey, you can work from home and you can work with Zoom, or maybe we started our own business, or maybe we're in the retirement stride and we're just, kicking back at home a lot. But I do know that what you're wearing at home really can affect your mood and your attitude. Now, if you're still wearing like those old sweats and a ratty old t-shirt at home, I really think these 5 outfit inspirations are really going to help you out for fall and winter. And by the way, you're going to notice that I've got a lot of new fashions to show you, so let's get going with outfit number 1. This is my newest casual at-home look. It's a great outfit that looks chic, but feels like you're wearing pajamas. Also, this is not fleece lined, so it's good for all of you women who are in warmer climates. This outfit comes in 21 colors and is available for $56, but the last time I looked, it was 20% off. I love the zippered neck detail and the way the pants have more of a flare design than those joggers with the cuff style. There is also an elastic tie waist. Notice how I picked navy and not black, and I might even still buy another brighter color. By the way, it's super stretchy, and if I needed to go on an errand, I'd put on a little lipstick and makeup, and I'd put on my Clark loafers and my Michael Kors crossbody purse, and I look chic and stylish. And as usual, I'll have most of the styles that I'm modeling underneath the video description and also in the comments. Oh, and by the way, if you're watching this and you can make it for October 10th and October 11th, 2023, please go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50 for the Amazon Big Prime Days. You've probably heard about it. And what we've done is in our first section, we have deals of the day. And those are the greatest deals, of my favorites. So you're going to find my fashion, my housewares, and even my makeup and skincare. So don't forget to check that out. Next, I have a new pair of NYDJ jeans to show you, which means not your daughter's jeans, and they're fabulous. It's the new trending look, which it looks a little bit wider. These actually have a fabulous flare to them. They're stretchy, of course, and they also have that kind of tuck the tummy in technology, so I'm really excited to show them to you. Now, just a little bit of a caveat here, because what you don't want to do with these kind of pants is put on a really heavy oversized top and pair them with these a little bit wider pants. So I'm going to show you what I mean in the next outfit number 2. This jean is called the Teresa trouser, and my color is Burbank Wash. It's available for regularly $119, but you know what? Last time I checked, it was $73, so 39% off. Notice the very popular flare jean bottom. Now I have a lovely white cotton and linen shirt, and of course my leather Keds sneakers, but you really have to be careful when you're working with these two combinations not to let your shirt just kind of hang out, or you'll look like you're wearing oversized pants and an oversized shirt, and you'll appear much heavier than you actually are. Next, let's talk about leggings, and I really think that they still have a place in your wardrobe as long as they're covering your butt. I think so much about them that actually in the near future I'm going to devote a video to them, just talking about leggings and showing you outfits. But in the meantime, let's look at outfit number 3. Here I have a great comfy outfit that features my stretchy Belief leggings for around $36. I dared to wear red, and this top has a lovely neck design and it covers my butt. It's available in 9 colors for about $26. Now, if I'm going out, I could just throw on a great quilted vest like this for $37 and a pair of ankle boots for $60, and I'm instantly looking chic and feeling comfy. And if you like videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and also don't forget to click on the bell. And if you really love fashion, why not follow me at Instagram, which is instagram.com/awesomeover50, where I post almost every single day, and there's some really great outfit inspirations there. All right, so let's take a look at outfit number 4. Here I have my newest cardigan sweater, and I love the crochet style. I just put a cami underneath. It's buttery soft and available in 7 colors for around $40. You can wear it long, but I like to tuck it under. I'm also wearing my stretchy Go Walk pants with the breathable Skechers sneakers, and they're about $75. They're easy to get into with their elastic laces. Now here's an ingenious and stylish coat in a bag for $70, but you know what? Last time I checked, it was $48 at 31% off. It's available in 5 colors, and it's an amazing addition to any wardrobe and absolutely perfect for traveling with its compact in-a-bag design. And don't forget to stay till the end of this video, where I always give kind of a inspirational message. Oh, and I wanted to show you something. These are my at-home slippers, and they're like little ballet slippers. They're super comfortable, and they're about $23. What I like about them is I still kind of feel dressed up wearing them, but they feel like slippers. Now, sometimes we have to change our lounging clothes into something that's a little more respectable, maybe for a Zoom call, or maybe we have to dash out the door, you know, from the couch to the car to go to a business meeting. And so the next change up is really taking it from lounging to something a little bit more upscale. So let's take a look at the next outfit. So here I have my lounging outfit. A pair of stretchy Rakuchi pants with a plaid design, and they come in other colors and patterns, and they're available for just around $30. Now let's bring this outfit up a notch or two. First, I'll add a white skinny stretchy belt, and then I'm adding my newest coat/cardigan. I have it in blue, and this one is in camel, and they're only around $48. Lightweight and stretchy, it's a great addition to anybody's wardrobe. I'll swap out the slippers for my naturalizer pumps and add that great Michael Kors purse and a lovely long necklace. And in seconds, I've gone from lounging to a fancy lunch or maybe a business meeting, and it just took a few seconds. Now, it's important to note that all of these outfits, they're stretchy, they're comfy, and they could be definitely considered lounging outfits, but they're a far cry from wearing our pajamas. What we don't want to do, especially if we're spending more time at home, is just sort of feel like we're, you know, a couch potato, and it really affects your mindset. So what I've showed you here are outfits where you can just throw on a jacket or throw on another pair of shoes and your purse, and then you can go out and you can have a nice lunch with somebody. You can meet a friend for a coffee, or just be absolutely ready for that special Zoom meeting. As for me, I go for a walk almost every day, and I never know really who I'm going to meet along the way. So, you know, it's very, very important that I'm not wearing my pajama bottoms, and even if I'm going to the grocery store, I certainly want to do that, because what's going to happen to me is my confidence is going to start to erode, and I'm probably going to start to feel a little invisible, or maybe I even want to feel invisible. So even if the teenagers are out there sporting their pajama look for everyday wear, let's bring it up a notch. Let's show the daughters of this world that you can be in comfy clothes, but it's really important that you have a little bit of class and you do look a little bit chic. And for me, it's just one more way to keep it awesome.